Happy May the 4th! I have been a Star Wars fan since I saw the original movie when it came out in the 1970s in the cinema when I was just a teeny tiny wee lassie. So to honor this groove-tastic day, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to whip up your very own t-shirt and a pair of funky Yoda pants from items that you may already have lurking about your house. So let's get making!
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this marvelous May the 4th project, all you need is a t-shirt or another refashionista victim, the groovy character template that's available over on my blog, I'll put the link below, an embroidery hoop, some non-fraying fabric like felt, plus embroidery thread and needle and your scissors. Then all you got to do is chop out the templates, pin it on your fabric, and cut out your characters. Once you have your pieces all cut out, go ahead and put your embroidery hoop on your t-shirt and then stitch them all on. Once you're happy with how your little characters are stitched on, go ahead and raid your stash for some funky little embellishments and stick on all the details.